Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make simple yet delicious crepes. The description of this video will list all of the necessary ingredients and measurements you'll need to make this recipe, and without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the batter, for this recipe you'll first need to crack 4 whole eggs, both the white and the yolk, into any bowl of your choice. Next, you'll need to grab a kitchen scale in another bowl. Make sure to tare the value on the scale after setting the bowl down to restore it to 0 grams, and now you will need to measure out 600 grams of milk. In the video, I'm using oat milk, but you may use any milk that you like. Now, we'll once again use the kitchen scale to measure out 250 grams of soft flour, and just like before, make sure to tare your scale. For this recipe, we'll also need about 50 grams of butter and a little bit of salt. Next, you'll need to take all of your separate ingredients and add them together into a mixer. I know the one in the video looks huge and fancy, but really any food mixer is fine. Also, don't forget about your little bit of salt. Once your batter is done mixing, its consistency should be creamy and look pretty similar to the one in the video. If your batter is too thick, you can thin it down by adding a little bit of water or milk. Lastly, you need to place your batter into your fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour to allow the flour to expand and the air bubbles to collapse. Once your batter is ready, I recommend you pour it into a smaller container of your choice, which will help you while making the crepes themselves. Bring your batter to your stovetop, and it's finally time to start making the crepes. Heat your stovetop on a setting between medium and high, and grab your pan. I recommend you use a non-stick pan, but since I don't have one, I applied a little bit of oil on my pan to make sure my crepes don't stick. Now, using a ladle, slowly pour your batter into your pan and spread it around using a circular motion of your wrist. Don't worry if your first crepe doesn't turn out amazing, that is always the worst one. After spreading out your batter, and a few seconds, start to gradually graze under the sides of your crepe to make sure it won't stick and burn. Let the side cook for about 15 to 20 seconds until a golden brown color shows on the underside. This is when you want to flip your crepe on the other side. I personally do this by slightly scooping the crepe up and pinching it with my finger. If you try this though, don't blame me when you burn your hand. Now, cook the other side of your crepe until it also starts to turn golden brown, which is when you want to carefully scoop it up and place it on a separate plate. I'll repeat this process now for about 10 or so more crepes. Now comes my most favorite part, which is customizing and getting to eat your crepes. To add flavor to the crepes, I'm using some fruit jam, but you may use anything you like, including Nutella, whipped cream, etc. There are many ways to fold your crepes, but the 2 main ways I have most commonly seen are 1. A classic roll, as you can see in the video, which I have been doing for my entire life. The other common way is to fold your crepe 2 times, which lets you hold and eat it much easier. On an additional note, earlier, I put the batter that was left over and I didn't use to make more crepes into the fridge and saved it to make tomorrow's lunch. I would recommend keeping your batter in your fridge for longer than a day or 2, just to be safe. You've reached the end of this video. Even though it's my first one, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll appreciate any suggestions for future recipes or tips you guys leave in the comments. Thank you for watching.